place de l'adverbe. And we will focus on this video when we've got what we call une forme composée de verbe. So if you're thinking about, for instance, passé composé, all these composed tenses where you've got two parts, remember, first you've got avoir or être, and then the second part is le participe passé. Okay, so we'll see where we should put the adverb, l'adverbe, when we've got this type of structure. Okay, so we'll see only one sentence and we'll see the different possibilities we've got. So where to put this adverb. Okay, so the first one here we've got il a attendu patiemment le train. Okay, so here we've got the verb attendre. Attendre is to wait, and this is the passé composé form, if you remember. So first you've got avoir at the present tense, and then this form is what we call participe passé. Okay, so il a attendu, and then, I mean, that's the rule. Normally, the adverb, l'adverbe, should come after the verb. Okay, so you put it right here. Patiemment, patiently, okay, and then le train, the train. Il a attendu patiemment le train. All right, so that's, I mean, the first option you could have if you want to construct this type of structure in which you will have this adverb, okay, and then if you've got this structure like here when you've got a composed tense, so two parts, okay, but then the same sentence, and it's also possible, il a. Okay, so first you will put avoir, so you don't change the structure of the sentence, but then it's possible to put your adverb right here after avoir. Il a patiemment, and then you continue here your participe passé, attendu le train. Okay, so the first one, il a attendu patiemment le train, and then the second one, il a patiemment attendu le train. All right, and then we've got a third option, so it would be also possible to put it like that. Il a attendu le train, and then you put your adverb at the end here, patiemment. Okay, oops, sorry, there is a space here and it shouldn't be here. So, il a attendu le train patiemment. Okay, so let's see again the three options we've got. The first one, il a attendu patiemment le train. Second one, il a patiemment attendu le train. And the last one, il a attendu le train patiemment.